Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine at home. Now today I am going to discuss about the topic shapes. In previous video you have learned about the plane shapes. Now today I am going to discuss about the topic solid shapes and their faces, edges and their vertex. Now the first shape is cube. I have already draw figure of a cube. This is a figure of a cube. Now students, it is a solid shape. ये एक solid shape है. Now I am going to discuss about the faces, edges and vertex of a cube. The first one is edge. How many edges are? First one is S. The first S. What do you mean by S? An S is a side where two faces meet. Means this is edge. Kinara. Edge means kinara. This one is edge. तो यहाँ पे two faces मिल रहे हैं. Where two faces meet. उसी को किनारा कहते हैं. तो ये फेस और इधर का फेस, ये फेस और इसके अपोजिट साइड का जो फेस है वो दोनों इस एज पे मिल रहे हैं. तो इसका ये एज है. इसको भी आप एज बोल सकते हैं, इसको भी, ये भी. All these lines are edges of a cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. These are the edges of a cube. Next, vertices. Vertex. What do you mean by vertex? A vertex is a point where three or more edges meet. Means this one, this one, this one. These are vertex. Means corners. ये corners हैं where three or more points meet. यहाँ पे तीन या उससे ज़्यादा लाइनें मिलती हैं, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? vertex. Means corners. तो क्यूब में कितने corners होते हैं? 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Total 8 vertex. And the last, face. Face. What do you mean by face? A face is a flat surface of a solid shape. Means किसी भी solid shape का जो flat surface होता है उसको face कहा जाता है. तो स्टूडेंट्स, ये मैंने आपको बताया कॉर्नर्स, वर्टिसेस हैं एंड दिस आर एजेस. अब हमें फेसेस फाइंड आउट करना है. हाउ मेनी फेसेस ऑफ अ क्यूब? क्यूब के कितने फेसेस होते हैं? तो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 faces of a cube. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and its back side of this 6. Total 6 faces. Okay. For example, मेरे पास ये डस्टर है. अगर हमें फेसेस फाइंड आउट करना है फॉर एग्जाम्पल के लिए, तो मैंने 6 फेसेस आपको बताए हैं. तो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are the 6 faces of a duster. Okay. तो सेम ऐसे ही आपको एक क्यूब के फेसेस फाइंड आउट करने हैं. तो जब आप इसका 3D मॉडल सामने रखेंगे तो आपको ये क्लियरली समझ में आ जाएगा कि इसके कैसे 6 फेसेस आते हैं। ओके, नाउ स्टूडेंट्स our next shape is cuboid. Cuboid is same as cube but its length is more than cube. And one thing, its all sides are not equal as cube. Its length is more than its width, so its opposite sides are equal. Now let's go to the find out about the faces, edges and vertices of a cuboid. Okay, now let's find out how many edges of a cuboid. First, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. There are 12 edges of a cuboid. And how many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. There are 8 vertices of a cuboid. And how many faces? Same as a cube, it has also 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Our next shape is sphere. This is a figure of a sphere, you can see here. Now students, how can we find out a sphere? Sphere is basically a curved face. Curved shape में होता है, but ये क्या होता है? It is a solid. ये solid है. For example, you can see the picture, the model of a globe. वो भी क्या है? Solid है. As well as you can see football. क्या है? Solid है. उसका शेप कैसा है? स्फेयर है, लेकिन साथ ही वो सॉलिड है. आप लड्डू खाते होंगे या मार्बल, वो सब क्या है? उनका शेप कैसा होता है? स्फेयर होता है, साथ ही वो सॉलिड होते हैं. उनको 3D में हम देख सकते हैं, टच कर सकते हैं, जबकि हम फ्लैट शेप में सर्कल को ऐसा नहीं कर सकते. Now students, a sphere has no edges, no vertices and no flat faces. It has only one curved face. No edges, no vertices, no faces, only one curved face. Okay. Now our next shape is cylinder. I have already drawn figure of cylinder. Now let's find out the edges, faces of the cylinder. Two edges of a cylinder, and it has no vertices because its shape is flat and curved. As this is curved face, this is curved face, so it has two curved faces. Two curved faces, and how many? It has two curved faces and it has two flat faces. 1 and 2. Flat face. It has two flat faces, two curved faces and two edges. Okay. Now let's go to the next shape. Now students, our next shape is cone. This is a figure of a cone. You can use this in your day-to-day life. For example, ice cream cone and birthday cap is the some example of cone. Now it has only one vertex. Only one vertex and it has only one edge. And it has only one flat face, this one, and it has only one curved face. Curved face, vertex, flat face and edge. In this way you can find the edges, faces and vertex of a solid shape. Now students, these five are example of solid shapes. You can complete. Let's try 3 and 4. Let's try 3 and 4. This is your homework. Okay. Till then, goodbye.